Okay, for our second example on page 404, we have Sam ordered a small pizza which was cut into 6 equal slices. He ate 2/6 of the pizza and put the rest away for later. How much of the pizza did he put away for later? We need to find 1 minus 2/6. Well, how much pizza did Sam begin with? Well, if he begins with 1, I know that 1 is equal to 6 over 6. How many slices are in the whole? Well, there's 6 slices in the whole, and he ate 2 of them. So he ate 2/6, that's what we're going to subtract. And he started with 6 equal slices. So I'm going to shade in 1 whole. Okay, there's my 1 whole shaded. It says cross out the parts that Sam ate. Well, this is just like we saw on the some of the problems from the earlier lessons. So I'm going to circle the part he ate. So he ate 2 pieces. And I'm going to X that out. So he ate those 2 pieces. So it says he ate 2/6 of the pizza, or 2 6-sized parts. How many 6-sized parts are left? Well, I'm counting the shaded parts that are left. 1, 2, 3, 4. So there's 4 left. So Sam put 4/6 of the pizza away for later. It's still out of the same amount of slices. Another way we could do it is to use fraction strips. Use 6 1-size 6 parts to model the whole pizza. How many 1 6-size parts should you cross out to model the slices Sam ate? Well, same thing. Here, we said he ate 2/6, so I'm just going to mark out those 2. Box them in. There we go. Okay, so we ate those 2/6, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4 left. So we crossed out 2. And how many 1 6-size parts are left? Well, 4 are left. So write the difference. We said 1 minus 2, 6 equals 4, 6. Which, guys, we can also simplify. If I was to further simplify this, I would have to divide the top and bottom by the same thing. So I'll say 4 divided by 2 and 6 divided by 2 to give me 4 divided by 2 is 2, 6 divided by 2 is 3. So that would be my simplified version of this problem. For number 3, it says explain how the equation 6 over 6 minus 2/6 equals 4/6 is related to the problem situation. Well, earlier we talked about how 1 is the same as 6 over 6. That means 1 whole pizza is my 6 shaded in slices. So if I was to have a whole pizza, I would have all 6 slices there. So nobody's eaten any yet. So we could say, I know that 6 out of 6 is the same as 1 whole. This equation represents the model or the problem with the whole written as a fraction. Okay, so let's take a look at the share and show on page 405. So Lisa needs 4/5 pound of shrimp to make a shrimp salad. She has 1/5 pound of shrimp. How much more shrimp does Lisa need to make the salad? Well, she needs that much, and she has 1/5. So it says subtract 4/5 minus 1/5 using the model to help. Okay, so on the top, I'm going to shade in 4/5 because that's what I need. And I'm going to subtract the 1/5 down there. So the difference is, my difference that I'm looking for is right here. This is the difference between the two. So I have 1, 2, 3. So it would be 3/5 of a pound. Or I could do 4 minus 1 gives me 3. So she needs 3/5 more pound of shrimp. All right, let's look at one of these examples and I'll let you go. Okay, so we have 3, 6 minus 2, 6. So if I have 3, 6 shaded, I marked out 2. That gives me 1, 6 still shaded. And for number 3, I have 8/10. So here's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8/10. I added my unit fraction, 1/10, 8 times. 8/10 minus 3/10. I marked down my 3/10. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5/10 left. Okay,